Oh my god. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline, and today I have a very fun, exciting video because I have the Colourpop Let's Get Wild mystery bag, and I've been dying to open this up. I'm so excited. So before we get this video started, please remember to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right down here, I believe. And like this video, it helps get my video out there. And follow me on my social media. That's Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Everything will be here in the screen below or in the description box. Make sure you check that out. And without any further interruptions, or do I have anything else to say? No. Let's begin this video. So for this video, I decided not only do I want to show you the products, but I want to try it out on my face. So that's why I only have basically my base makeup done. It's foundation, concealer, powder, and a little bit of mascara, because, you know, I don't want to look too crazy. I want to look like a human being, even though I definitely need some blush. So let's get this open up. I'm so excited. So let me tell you about this bag. I have to double check if the bag is still available on their website. If not, if it is, I'll leave the link in the description box. If it's not, I'll also mention in my description box, so make sure to check that out. That's the description box is like basically where you're gonna get all information from the products used in this video, any other extra information. Everything is in the description box. So the bag is worth $25, which is not that bad, and on the Colourpop website it said the value in this bag is $50, so you're kind of getting a 50% discount here. So you're basically getting $25 off of however many products are in here, which is good. And you know, $25 is not a lot for the amount of products. I would say like Colourpop products are inexpensive and they're worth it because they work. So that's why I got the bag. It's exciting to get a bag and not know what's in it, and you know, it builds the excitement. Let's open it up. Pull it up from here. Oof. I don't think I opened it all the way. Ooh, I'm excited to see what's inside. So the first thing in the box is a highlighter, and this is in the shade Guilty Pleasure. Okay, Colourpop. I think this is from their last holiday collection because of the packaging. Actually, the packaging is cute. I like it. It has like it's like holographic plastic. It's nice. Ooh, this looks nice. This is like this might be a little too dark for me. It's like an orangey-ish peachy highlighter. And let me give, ooh, it's really soft, like super soft. And this is a swatch. So that's what the shade looks like. This shade might be a little too dark for me, I will see, but the color itself is beautiful. This color actually reminds me of Bali from Ultra Cosmetics. It's very pretty. The next item in the box is the BFF mascara. This is actually a new product, and it has, I don't think it's launched yet, so new product hasn't launched. I'm excited. Ooh, and I got the black one. And this is what the tubing looks like. Very nice, very nice. I'm so excited to try this out. Something new, something hasn't launched and I got it. Okay. The next item in this bag is a ultra blotted lip in the shade Doozy. The packaging is really cute. Hopefully it's a nice, pretty pinky color. It feels, I'm hoping. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice shade. Let me swatch it. This is really pretty. This is a swatch of it. Let me try it on. It's very sheer, but it's a blotted lip. So it's kind of supposed to be like that. It's really pretty. This is really nice. It's almost like a stain. It looks nice. I like this. Is perfect if you want to do like in Korean beauty where they have just pigment in the middle of the lips, with just concealer over the rest, the outer portion of the mouth. This is really nice, and I'm happy I got it in this bag. I'm so happy with my bag. Okay, so the next item, oh, I forgot to mention the prices for these. The highlighter is $8, and I don't have to look it up. I know their prices. The highlighter is $8. The blotted lip is $6, and the mascara, I'm not sure. I will put it on the screen because I don't know. I'm not sure of the price of the mascara. The next lippie is an ultra glossy lip, and this is the shade Flying Horses. This is the color, and I'm loving the colors in this bag. Ooh, super glossy. A little swatcheroo, and this is the shade. It's really pretty. I'm gonna try on their gloss. I love it. It's like so pretty. It's sheer. It just gives you like a nice tint to your lips, and it's super glossy. I love it. I'm loving the product so far. Next product in the box is a lippie stick. It's a lot of lips. Definitely a lot of lips. Ooh. This is the... And the next product is a Colourpop lippie stick. I think this is the ultra matte one, and this is in the shade Ziggie. So this is like a burnt orangey brown. That's a swatch right there. It's so pigmented. It's so pigmented. So this is the color on the lips, and I love it. It's so pretty. The only downside to these lippie sticks is that they smell like crayon. It's not strong, it's very faint, but it's like when you apply, you can smell it. The next product is, oh, we got a Luxe lipstick, shade 21 Questions. It's exactly the same as the color I put on now. Here it looks like this one, but it's like way lighter. It's a nice shade. Not really my go-to shade, but we'll try it out because why not? So this is the shade 21 Questions on the lip. I don't know if the formula Velvet Blur means it's supposed to be sheer on the lip, because I do have a couple of their Luxe lipsticks and they're way more pigmented than this is. I will let you guys know in the description box if the formula is supposed to be kind of sheer, because even though it looks pretty, it is pretty sheer. I'm used to their lipsticks being, you know, super pigmented as you put them on, but the shade is pretty and I don't hate it. Not my most favorite, but I don't hate it. Next product is an eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Snake Eyes. This is what it looks like. Here it is. It's like such a pretty rose champagne color. So the next item in the box is a Supershock shadow, and this is in the shade Party of 5. It's a nice pinky shade. I feel like the theme of this bag is pinky colors. Well, the bag itself is pink. I'm not complaining. I love it. Look, oof, so pretty. Swatch it up here. Look at that. Beautiful. It has like these blue and green shimmers in it. For my last item, why can't there be more? My last item is this other Supershock shadow in the shade Drift. Oh, look how beautiful this shade is. It's like a dark magenta. Let's see where we can swatch this one. Look at that. So pretty. The total amount of items in this mystery bags is 9 items. Value of all these items is $55.50. So it's actually worth getting these mystery boxes. I know you don't know what items are in it, but that's the exciting part of it, like the unknown, to see what items you get, if you like them, if you don't like them. Well, I want to like them. And I love all the products I got in the box. The only thing I'm like okay with is the Luxe lipstick. But even though it was kind of sheer, it still looked nice. Like over this lipstick over with that gloss, that sheer gloss that I showed you in the beginning, will look amazing together. So I would definitely, if they announce it on the mystery bag, I would definitely recommend you to pick one up. I will definitely will. And for $25, that's a good ass deal. And not only that, I got a new item, the mascara that hasn't even launched yet. You know, that's a little extra there. That's a little plus. Here's a clip of the look I created using the items I got in this bag. And do you see that shimmer on the eyelids? Yes. Those are all the items I received in my Colourpop bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy seeing me open up new makeup. I don't know, I really enjoy seeing videos where people unbox new makeup and open up, you know, new things. I don't know, to me it's kind of calming for some reason. I just love makeup, and I just like watching videos about makeup. So please remember to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a like. Follow me on my social media. I will see you in my next one.